Making money online can be approached in various ways depending on your skills, interests, and resources. Here are some popular methods. Now let's dive right into today's video, how to make money online and some tips. Let's get started. Freelancing. Freelancing is a type of self-employment where individuals offer their skills and services to clients on a project or contract basis rather than working as an employee for a single company. Freelancers can work in various fields, such as writing, graphic design, web development, marketing, consulting, and many others. Platforms: Upwork, Fiverr, freelancer skills, writing, graphic design, programming, marketing, online courses, and tutoring. Create courses. Use platforms like Udemy or Teachable Tutoring. Offer services on sites like VIPKid or Check Tutors. E-commerce. E-commerce, or electronic commerce, refers to the buying and selling of goods and services over the internet. It encompasses a wide range of online business activities and can involve various transaction types, including retail, wholesale, subscription services, and digital products. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party, usually a wholesaler or manufacturer, who then ships it directly to the customer. This model allows the retailer to run an online store without the need to handle inventory or manage shipping logistics. Print on demand. Create custom designs for merchandise via Printful or Redbubble. Affiliate marketing: promote products. Earn commissions by promoting products on your blog or social media. Use platforms like Amazon Associates or Share a Sale. Content creation: YouTube or TikTok. Monetize videos through ads and sponsorships. Blogging. Blogging is the practice of creating and maintaining a blog, which is a type of website where individuals or groups regularly publish written content, known as posts. Blogs can cover a wide range of topics, from personal experiences and hobbies to professional advice and industry insights. Start a blog and earn through ads, sponsored content, or affiliate links. Sell photos. Selling photos online involves uploading your images to stock photography websites or marketplaces, where individuals or businesses can purchase licenses to use them. It's a way for photographers to monetize their work by reaching a global audience without needing to handle physical prints. Online survey. Earning money through online surveys can be a straightforward way to make some extra cash or rewards. Participate in surveys on platforms like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie for small payments. Virtual assistants. Remote help. Virtual assistance involves providing administrative, technical, or creative support to clients remotely. Virtual assistants, VAs, work from their own location, helping businesses or entrepreneurs manage tasks that they may not have the time or expertise to handle. Offer administrative support to businesses or entrepreneurs through sites like Belay or Time, etc. Investing stocks or cryptocurrency. Stocks represent ownership in a company. When you buy shares, you become a part owner and may benefit from the company's growth through capital appreciation and dividends. Use apps like Robinhood or Coinbase, but be aware of risks involved. REITs. Invest in real estate investment trusts through platforms like Fundrise. Create a niche website. Build a site focused on a specific topic and monetize through ads or affiliate links. Tips for success research. Find your niche and target audience. Build a portfolio. Showcase your work to attract clients. Network. Connect with others in your chosen field for opportunities. What skill do you have that can be used for freelancing? Comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more content.